Ready for another iconic drop this holiday 2025 as Nike and New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft continue their powerful collaboration with the Air Force One Ultra Flyknit Robert Kraft Edition. Blending patriotism, performance, and premium design, this latest release showcases a navy Flyknit upper accented with red and white details, perfectly matching the 2025 Patriots Rivalries jersey and Air Max 90s. The Flyknit construction delivers lightweight comfort and breathability, while smooth leather swooshes, reflective elements, and custom R.K.K. embroidery elevate the classic AF1 style. Completing the look are Patriots-inspired laces, Forever in New England insoles, and an ultra-sole unit that reduces weight without sacrificing cushioning. Continuing a celebrated series that began in 2014, this release solidifies Kraft's legacy in Nike's history. Expect pairs to arrive soon on Nike.com and select retailers, a must-have for sneakerheads and Patriots fans alike. Stay tuned for drop details and official release updates.